Welcome to Under the Covers, where we play covers.
Under the Covers.
I'm Amanda,
I'm Miles.
and here's our cover. Oh, baby. Well, there's a light in your eyes that keeps shining, like a star that can't wait for the night. I hate to think I've been blinded, baby. Why can't I see you tonight? And the warmth of your smile starts a-burning, and the feel of your touch gives me fright. I'm shaking so much, really yearning. Why don't you show up and make it all right? Yeah, it's all right. And you promised to love so completely. You swore that you'd always be true. You told me you never would leave me, baby, whatever happened to you. And you thought it was only in movies. You wished all your dreams would come true. Hey, this ain't the first time, believe me, baby. I'm standing here feeling blue. Yeah, I'm blue. And so I stand in the rain on the corner, watch the people go shuffling downtown. Another 10 minutes, no longer, and then I'm turning around, and the clock on the wall's moving slower. My heart, it sinks to the ground. The storm that I thought would blow over now seems to light up the love that I've found. Light up the love that I've found. Light up the love that I've found. Get on. And now my body is starting to shiver. The palms of my hands getting wet. I got no reason to doubt you, baby. It's all a terrible mess. So I run in the rain till I'm breathless. When I'm breathless, I run till I drop. Hey, the thoughts of a fool's kind of careless. I'm just a fool waiting on the wrong block. Oh, light up the love that I've found. Light up the love that I've found. Light up the, light up the, light up the love that I've found. Light up the love that I've found.